Hello students, good afternoon. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about a very important lesson of your textbook Flamingo. Okay? Dear students, the name of the chapter is The Rat Trap. Okay? And this is written by a great Swedish English writer Selma Lagerlöf. Okay? Dear students, Selma Lagerlöf, she was a great English writer and she got Nobel Prize in Literature. Okay? And in this story, she describes about the essential goodness. Okay? The essential goodness in a human being. It can be awakened through understanding and love. Okay? The theme of the story is the essential goodness in a human being can be awakened through understanding and love. Okay? And the story is told somewhat in a manner of fairy tale. She describes the story. The writer describes this story in the manner of a fairy tale. Okay? So dear students, before beginning in details the story, I would like to tell you about the characters of the story. Okay? Dear students, the main character is the peddler, the rat trap seller. He was a poor man and sold rat traps for his survival, for his living. Okay? He was very poor man and went around selling small rat traps. Okay? Made of wire. Okay? And the main second character is the crofter, the old man. Okay? He was a very simple, trusting person who lived in the roadside. Okay? And he was robbed by the peddler, the rat trap seller. Okay? And the third main character is the iron master who took him his house because he considered him his old acquaintance, old regimental friend. Okay? And last, fourth character of the story is Adela. Okay? Fourth character is Adela Wilmanson. Adela Wilmanson. Who was she? She was the daughter of Iron Master. Okay? She was the daughter of Iron Master. She was very kind, generous. Okay? And next, I would like to tell you the story in details. Okay? So, dear students, let's discuss about the story. Poor peddler went around selling rat traps. Okay? Dear students, a man went around selling small rat traps of wire. Who was the man? The poor peddler, rat trap seller. His business was not profitable. His business was not good. He had to take the begging or small thieving sometime, small thievery, because his business was not profitable. Okay? And his life was very sad. Very sad. Okay? And during his wanderings, he often thought of his rat traps. Sometimes he thought about his rat traps. One day, he began to think that the whole world was just a big rat trap. Some people were already caught in the trap. In this rat trap, while others like him, were still circling around the bait. Okay? His business was not profitable. He was very sad and he was thinking about himself. He was thinking about his rat traps and he considered the whole world like a rat trap. And we means person, people. We are the rats still circling round the bed. Okay? Stole the old man's 30 kroner. I would like to tell you about that. One dark evening, this tramp, the trap seller, he was walking here and there to and fro and he reached to the old man. The old man took shelter with a lonely his life. Means the tramp took shelter with a lonely old man. Where he lived? Who lived in a little cottage by the roadside. Okay? Roadside. And the man served him. He gave him porridge. He gave him food to eat. The man served him kindly all the things. Okay? He played with him the whole night. But while leaving in the morning, when he was going, who? Peddler. When the peddler was going, when he was leaving in the morning, the peddler stole the old man's 30 kroner. 10, 3 notes, 30 kroner, placed in a leather pouch. Already he had shown him about his 30 kroner. He also told him about his history, how he got it. Okay? And he stole his money. Okay, students? After that, got lost in the forest. In order to escape being caught, he was fearful. He was very afraid. When he took the money, the tramp took his way through a forest. But it was a confusing forest. It was a very confusing forest. He was walking endlessly. By evening, he found that he had been roaming. He had been walking about the same place from where he had started. Means he was feeling very sad. He was feeling very tired. Okay? Got lost in the forest. He was walking. He was circling. Okay? And after some time, the tramp recalled the 30 kroner in his pocket that he kept. He thought about the world as a rat trap. Now he thought that his own turn had come. He was thinking about himself. Okay? And it was the time of late December evening, winter season. Okay? And it was getting dark. And he was afraid. He was very fearful. And suddenly he heard the hard regular thumping of hammer strokes. He got up and walked in the direction of the sound and got the place. He went the place and reached Ramsau Iron Works. Okay? What was that? It was a forge. It was a forgery of the Ramsau Iron Works. Iron Works. Okay? And the master smith allowed him to stay there. Reached Ramsau Iron Works, and the iron master means the master smith who was working there with his trainee, with his apprentice, he allowed him to stay there and warm himself. He did not say anything. He gave him permission. He allowed him to stay there. Okay? But he was in a wet racks outside of the house, outside of the iron works, Ramsau Iron Works. It was rain falling. Okay? And he was in wet racks and had a long beard. But suddenly, that time, the iron master's nightly visit. Suddenly, the iron master came on his nightly inspection, nightly round. The head, the master of that iron works, he came. Okay? When he came, he was not like a blacksmith, master smith. When he came, he looked at the stranger closely. He took him for an old regimental acquaintance, old regimental friend. Okay? In dark night, he did not recognize. He was confused. But he considered him just like an old regimental friend. "Oh, Captain Von Stanley, you are here," he said in surprise. Okay? And he pressed him to go with him to his house. He pressed him hard to go with him to his house. "Let's go." "How you came here?" "Hello, my friend." But the tramp, the trap seller, the wanderer felt embarrassed. And he refused firmly. He refused. The peddler declined his invitation. No. He did not want to go with him. Okay? At last the iron master went away. He invited him to go with him, but when he declined his invitation, he went away. Okay, students? Before half an hour, iron master's daughter came. Before half an hour, a carriage stopped at the forgery, stopped at the place. It was the iron master's daughter. She came there, who had been sent by her father. Why? To fetch the peddler. She had come with a valet, with a servant. This time, the peddler accepted to go with her. Okay? When the young girl spoke to the peddler very softly, she was not pretty, but she was very kind, very humble, very polite. She was able to win the peddler's confidence. That's why the peddler accepted to go with her. Okay? He accepted. She wanted to give him, also she wanted him to give them company on the Christmas Eve, because second day was Christmas. She assured him that he would be free to leave the place whenever he liked. Okay? That's why he accepted to go with her. Okay? When he reached there, okay, the peddler agreed and went there. Okay? He also accepted the fur coat and threw it over his rags. The young girl was very happy to think that she would be able to feed a poor hungry man on that occasion, Christmas Eve. Okay? The peddler spent the night at the master's house. Okay? At the master house, at the manor house, at the iron master's house. But in the morning, the valet washed him, cut his hair, also shaved him. Means broad daylight. When he came in the broad daylight, he was also dressed well in the iron master's clothes and came before the iron master. When the iron master looked at him in broad daylight, he realized his mistake. Iron master realized his mistake. Oh, the man was none of his old acquaintances, none of his old friends. He at once ordered. What ordered? To get out of the house. Get out of the house. But the young girl, Edla Wilmanson, means iron master's daughter, she pleaded on his behalf, on the behalf of peddlers. The young girl at once pleaded on the peddler's behalf. She said that it was none of the peddler's fault. We gave invitation and he came here. No fault of his, no fault of peddlers. It was just a mistake. She did not want to lose the joy of entertaining a poor hungry person on Christmas Eve. She wanted to give him food. She wanted to serve him on this occasion. At last the father gave consent. Okay? He allowed. But he said, I only hope you won't have to regret this. Okay? After that, served Christmas Eve. Both the iron master and his daughter served the peddler as best as they could. Okay? They made him participate in each of the festivities. But the peddler spent most of the time sleeping on a sofa. He was sleeping all time. He was very sad. He was very tired. It seemed that he had not been able to sleep for years. Okay? Served Christmas Eve. But next morning, went to church for early morning service. Both of them, father and daughter. Next morning, both the father and the daughter, they went to church for early morning service. The peddler was still asleep, and they did not think it proper to disturb him. They did not want to disturb him that time. That's why Edla Wilmanson and her father, both of them went to the church. What purpose? For early morning prayer, morning service. At the church, when they reached there, they came to know that the peddler was a thief. They heard that a man who went about selling rat traps had robbed a poor old man of his 30 kroner. Oh, on hearing this, the young girl was badly upset. She became very sad. Okay? But when they reached home, peddler was thief. But when they reached home, they came to know that the peddler had already left. They had gone and had not taken anything at all. Okay? Instead, he had left a small packet of younger. A small packet for the younger as a Christmas present, Christmas gift. It filled the young girl with great joy. She became very happy, very pleased. She at once opened the packet. It contained a little rat trap and 3 wrinkled 10 kroners note, and also a letter, the peddler's letter. And the letter said, what was written? What were the contents on the letter? Since you have been so nice to me all day long, these were contents on the letter. I want to be nice to you. You can give back the money to the old man on the roadside. Okay? And the rat trap is a Christmas present from a rat who would have been caught in a world's rat trap if he had not been thought to be a captain. Okay? Means she admired to the daughter, praised the daughter of Iron Master, means Edla Wilmanson. So dear students, this is the end of the story. This is very interesting story. Okay? And I will give you some questions related to this story, and you have to complete your fair copy. You have to do all the questions given by me. Okay? So thank you and goodbye.